buddy tells the other his thoughts. Two buddies went for a drive, driving round and around in the heat, windows rolled up and AC off. One buddy tells the other his thoughts. I was born in a parking lot, a Xerox machine spat me right out. All I had to do was press play, and my brothers were born the same way. I was born in a parking lot, a Xerox machine spat me right out. All I had to do was press play, and my brothers were born the same way. Conditioning repairmen, football players while in high school. Perhaps the addiction began there with dampened uniforms and sweaty hair. Air conditioning repairmen, football players while in high school. Perhaps the addiction began there with dampened uniforms and sweaty hair. They claim that they fixed your machine, but when you use it, you still feel the heat. In their office, they drink white wine and watch you on hidden camera TV. They claim that they fixed your machine, but when you use it, you still feel the heat. In their office, they drink white wine and watch you on hidden camera TV. Air conditioning repairmen, football players while in high school. Perhaps the addiction began there with dampened uniforms and sweaty hair. Air conditioning repairmen, football players while in high school. Perhaps the addiction began there with dampened uniforms and sweaty hair. Conditioning repairmen, two men perversely excited by sweat. When these two guys are on the job, their only real boss is the sweat drop. Air conditioning repairmen, two guys perversely excited by sweat. When these two men are on the job, their only real boss is the sweat drop. They claim that they fixed your machine, but when you use it, you still feel the heat. In their office, they drink white wine and watch you on hidden camera TV. They claim that they fixed your machine, but when you use it, you still feel the heat. Back in their office, they drink white wine and watch you on hidden camera TV. Air conditioning repairmen, two guys perversely excited by sweat. When these two men are on the job, their only real boss is the sweat drop. Air conditioning repairmen, two guys perversely excited by sweat. When these two men are on the job, their only real boss is the sweat drop. They claim that they fixed your machine, but when you use it, you still feel the heat. Back in their office, they drink white wine and watch you on hidden camera TV. They claim that they fixed your machine, but when you use it, you still feel the heat. In their office, they drink white wine and watch you on hidden camera TV. while in